tip into the buckle. Seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it is low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated, but keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew may also need to buckle up for
Safety, the use of e-cigarettes or any smoke armrest at resting position.
any question as we get ready to use as a raft. In addition,
Please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carrying items stowed until Captain Bob has had the opportunity to turn off the seatbelt sign. Please be very, very careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from any items that may have shifted during this entire flight. And please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning.